In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate Midjourney version 4. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head to your favorite browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. You can then head to the search bar right here or to the google.com right here and type the following: Midjourney Discord. Make sure that you also have Discord downloaded on your desktop, or you can access it through Discord on a new tab right here. You can also search for Discord and create a new account the same way. Once you have done that, find Midjourney link, something like this. It's discord.com invite Midjourney. Click on it. And after that, you will be prompted into Midjourney server. As you can see right here, I already inside this server. So for you, you're gonna find either a button on the top right corner that says join, or in the bottom left corner right here that says join. After that, head to the newbies and do / imagine the prompt. And then, for example, if you have experience with Midjourney, you can skip ahead 10 seconds. Otherwise, you can type something like this: super detailed, hyper real, 8K man cleaning a sofa with a water. As you can see right here, make sure to detail your image with as much details as you can. So for example, I'm going to type red and black ninja, 8K, hyper real, and yeah. So to activate version 4, all I have to do is -V and then specify the version, which is 4. And that's really about it. After that, all you will have to do is click enter. And if you have credits, which is, you need to understand that Midjourney doesn't provide free trails forever. You will need to have credits to be able to generate the image. I already ran off the credits, but this is how you activate Midjourney version 4.